Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about the NAS special landing gear bolts that we have that hold our landing gear on. And these are specifically the NAS 164-10 and 148-28. So now let's take a little bit more and look at these bolts and why they're so important for our landing gear. So stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So like we said, these are your NAS this is a 164-10, but we have two different lengths of these hex-headed structural close tolerance special NAS bolts, and you have special on them, SPS, and then they say NAS and then their number. Now there's a couple of key features on these things that we want to notice. They have a very flat bottom to the head, and it's designed with a little chamfer curl so that you have to use a washer when you install one of these. And then it has a nice straight shaft for joining the landing gear parts together, and this is what holds the brackets and the ribs and all up onto the spar so it doesn't move. Now you don't have a lot of these, but they are important. The big thing to know about them is that head takes a 1/2 inch hex bolt to remove. Don't ask us how we found that out the hard way, but anyway, that's what you need to get them out. Now you don't have a lot of these on each landing gear. You have two of the short ones and two of the long ones on each side. But again, they are a bit fun to work with. They are hard to come by, and usually you don't have to change the originals because they don't really have any wear. It's only corrosion that can cause them a problem. So not an exciting topic, ladies and gentlemen, but we hope you found it all useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Well, let me apologize for the lighting, because a lot of times I don't have time to go turn on a light when I want to film them playing with paper on the floor or wrestling with each other. A lot of times it happens in the wee hours of the night, and I just can't throw enough light on there. So please accept my apology and enjoy their antics and their fun. Thank you.